First open Start and type reset. Click on Reset this PC. In Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. If you cannot able to access desktop screen, click on Power button. When it try to load Windows, click on Power button and force it to shout down. Do it 3 times and you can able to access automatic repair screen. Click on Startup Repair. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advance option. Click on Command Prompt. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. If the access is denied, no problem, type the next command. This process will take few minutes. Now type exit and press Enter. Now click on Continue. Now your problem should be fixed.